Here you have an Eagle T20CF-SM. We are running the smallest of the 4 cartons received. I just want to point out before we run this carton just how the glue line looks, how uneven. That's how pretty much the entire stack of them looked. Also, it's a little hard to see, but you can see a little bit of glue there. And basically all the cartons were glued together when we received them, so we had to open them all up by hand. If it would have been glued and loaded into the machine, it would absolutely not have worked. We're going to run a couple through, I think just 4 or 5, just again because I didn't get too many samples. So go ahead, Greg. Important thing from this testing right now is basically to prove that, you know, this particular carton, the size does work with this machine. With all of our case erectors, we kind of tailor some modifications to the different group of cartons that we receive with it. This machine's been set up for a basically another application, but again, if we were to move forward with your particular cartons, we would make appropriate changes to make these cartons run the best that they can. We are running carton number 2 on the T20CF-SM. This by far is the worst of the 4 cartons that we received. You can take a look at the glue line there. Doesn't get much worse than that. That's how the entire stack was. Again, like previously stated, this machine is set up for another application. The positive is I think that the carton size will work. We will have to make some modifications to kind of the rear pusher and the suction cup area. Just with such a narrow carton, the two are running into one another, but we'll go ahead and run one carton right now. Go ahead. So, with that glue line being the way it is, really this is the result. Just as it runs through the machine, the carton's just not going to come out square and tape properly. If there were some changes made to the carton to improve this, and we do everything on our end, I think that I would give the okay on this one. Carton number 3 of 4 on the Eagle T20CF-SM. This particular carton, bear with me as I walk over to our